Alright, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Great Tutor, and what I do here, I solve technical drawing problems and also provide very important information that can make use of for you to have better performance in your technical drawing examinations. You're a technical drawing student, you are watching my video for the first time, thank you, and I want to ask that you subscribe to this YouTube channel, put on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be notified, and help me to share my videos with your friends who are technical drawing students. Very important, you need to keep to practice this subject. It's a practical subject, you need to practice it. So right now, what I want to show you now, I want to show you how to construct a frustum of a cone, how to construct the frustum of a cone. So as you know that the frustum of a cone, it has a circular base, that is the big circle, and it has a circular top, which is a small circle. So I'm going to show you how you can construct that. So the diameter of the circular base, I'm going to make it to be 50 millimeters, and diameter of the that is the base, circular base, is 50 millimeters, and the circle at the top, I'm going to make the diameter of that to be 30 millimeters. So the first thing I need to do here is to draw a horizontal line. Draw a horizontal line. So with your set square, so draw this line. So draw a line in this direction. Draw a line in this direction, and also from here, so draw a line in this direction. All right, so now, so I'm going to take a measurement of 50 millimeters here. 50 millimeters. So from here to here is 50 millimeters, and I'll also take 50 millimeters from here. So this is 50 millimeters. So right now I will transfer this point. I will transfer this point to the other side, and this point also I will transfer it to the other side. Okay, then I will also need to divide this 50 into 2, so that is 25 millimeters each. So this is 25 millimeters, and I will also divide this also into 2, that is 25 millimeters. Okay, then I will transfer this point, so transfer this to the other side. So I transfer this to the other side. This also I will transfer it to the other side. Okay, so what I want to do here is to construct an isometric circle. So this is point A here, this is point A, this is point B, this is point C, and this is point D. So this point is point E, this point is point F, this point is point G, and this point is point H here. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is that I will connect B, D together. Point B, D, I will connect them together like this. Okay, then I will connect AH together. Point AH together, and point AG, I will connect them together. Okay, all right, so point CE, I will connect them together, and point CF, I will connect them together like this. Okay, so with what I've done here, so on the circular base, I don't need the whole of the circle, I only need a little part or half of it, so which it will be at the front here. So at the back, I cannot see the curve at the back, so I will only produce half of it at the front here. So I will take my compass. So this point is point 1, this is point 2, this point is point 3, and this point is point 4. This method is known as 4-center method of constructing an isometric circle. So I put the point of compass at 1, extend to point E here, extend it to point E, and I will draw an arc from here to here. So draw an arc from here to here. Okay, so draw an arc from here to here. Then I will put at point 2, and it touches point F. I will draw an arc from here to here. Okay, so the next thing is I will put a point C here and extend it to F here. Then I will draw, so here I will draw an arc from here to here like this. All right, so with what I've done here, the next thing I'm going to do is that I need to create the same square, isometric square at the top. Okay, so let's look at how that is going to be done. So all I need to do here is to draw a vertical line here. So here I will also draw a vertical line. So here I will draw a vertical line, and here also I will draw a vertical line. Then I will take the measurement of the height from the center here. So the height is 60 millimeters. I want to use 60, so I'll take a measurement of 60 millimeters at this point. Okay, I'll take 60 millimeters from here. So this is 60 millimeters. So I'll take 60 millimeters from there. So with that 60 millimeters, I will transfer. So transfer this to this side, and here also I will transfer this point to this side like this. Then I will also transfer this point here to the other side, and this point also I will transfer it to the other side like this. Okay, so with what I've done here, so the next thing I'm going to do is that I need to get the midpoint of this. So to get the midpoint, all I will do is that I will transfer. So this point, I will draw a vertical line here. That's the midpoint. Here also, I will draw from here to get the midpoint. Then I will transfer this to the other side. I will also transfer. Okay. I will also transfer this to the other side. Okay. Transfer this to. So with what I've done here now, so what I'm going to do is that, so as I said, that the diameter of the upper circle is 30. So the radius is 15. I will take a measurement of 15 millimeters. I'm using my compass for that. So I will draw an arc here, draw an arc here, draw an arc here, and I will draw an arc here. So here I'm going to form an isometric circle here. Isometric square. So here I will draw this line in this direction. So draw this line in this direction, and I will also draw this in this direction. Then I will draw this in this direction. Then I will also draw this in this direction like this. Okay, so with what I've done here, so if I label as I label down here, so this will be point A. So let me call this point A1. This is point B1. This is point D1. This is point C1. Sorry. Okay, so this is C1. Sorry. So this is C1, and this is point D1. So here will be E1. This is F1. This is G1, and this is H1 here. So I'm going to connect. So I'm going to connect D1 and B1 together. B1 and D1, I will connect them together like this. Connect this together, and I will connect A1, H1 together. A1 and H1, I will connect this point together, and A1, G1, I will connect them together like this. And C1, E1, I will connect them together like this. And C1, F1, I will connect them together like this. Okay, so with what I've done here, so I'm going to draw an isometric circle. So I'll put the pinpoint on my compass here. This is point 1 for this upper face. This is 1. This is point 2. This is point 3. And this is point 4. Don't forget that we are using 4 center method. So I put at point 1 here. Put at point 1 here and extend to point E1. Extend it to point E1 like this. Then I will draw an arc from here to here like this. So then I will also put at point 2 here. So it touches point F here. So I will draw an arc from here. So it touches this point like this. Then I'll put at point 3. So which is point A here. So I put it here. So extend to point G, and I will draw an arc like this. Okay, then I will put at point 4 here. So it touches F here. Then I will draw. So here I will draw an arc from here to here like this. Okay, so I formed the upper circle. So the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm to connect this point on line BD with this point on line BD that we have down here, and also this point on line BD. So I will connect it with this point. So don't forget, I'm not connecting, this is point 1, this is point 2. I'm not connecting point 1 and 2. I'm connecting the point here on the edge, on the circumference of this ellipse or this circle. is an ellipse. Isometric circle is always an ellipse. So then I'm connecting it with this point, and this point also I'm connecting it with this point, not point 1 and not point 2. Okay, so this is what we are going to do. So you connect like this. So you connect like this, and also, so this point, I will connect this together like this. So you can see this is the frustum of the cone. It's as simple as I've shown it here. All you need to do is to practice it. When you practice it, you definitely master it. Thank you for watching, and thank you for listening. Keep on practicing, and God bless you.